90059 be the zip. Yeah, it be the zip. 90059 be the zip. Yeah, it be the zip. 90059 be the zip. Yeah, it be the zip. 90059 be the zip. I'm straight up out that east side, swinging like zip lines on Foggiato rim top, automatic spitfire, yakking a black canister. Look at this bastard go. It don't take much to aim, fingers be snatching souls out on my grind ramen, stacking this cash to hold. And I can take you where them niggas get bodied, but that ain't nobody's business. So what the fuck is you asking for? Look, I'm just trying to blow good dope and put my feet to the metal in life to see just how fast it goes. Fuck the world, gotta make that bitch grab her toes. And rock game never goofy, no weapon shall prosper. Maneuver like I'm Bruce Lee, you know I'm Chucks. Been doing this since a young buck, begging for 50 cents from a victim while my gun tucked. And somebody gotta get it, and when you make a dollar, know somebody gotta spend it. The struggle is real, the struggle is real. The struggle is real, you gotta do what you gotta just to get over the hill. When you live in America, either kill or be killed, yeah. Lord, have mercy, have mercy. I know that I ain't living right and know I'm not perfect, but plus I gotta eat and what I'm doing is worth it. So Lord, I stay at your head, heart be at your throat. Better ask your folk, I'm never the dog to provoke. Niggas know the status and bitches come cash they votes. In my zone with coke and plenty of grass to smoke. I'm surpassing both, stay trapping for more. The 2 chicks boosting, be hooking back up in the back of the stove. I'm the jack of many trades, steady pimping my pen. Hustling the shade, responding to niggas funny ways. I was raised by winners, niggas who bought business up at that Staples Center. Now that's gangster, nigga, I'm on some new money, nothing but raw. Pop shit, catch one in the jaw. It's gutter law, I know you wish you was a star. What I do is internal, smoking herbal, trying to run up in some bitches who fertile. Whoa, feel like this is my moment, feel it's time for change. Exercise some game, niggas vibe to change. No looking back at it, cause this is that moment I step forward, ready to go at each and every opponent. Give it to anybody that want it. Represent the underdog, training in the gym till the minute they get their number called. I'm speed bagging this work, the trainers see me smashing with perspiration on the back of my shirt, making them sweat. Better yet, just look at them vex, like when I'm in that Knicks cashing the check. You know it's real, nigga. The struggle is real, the struggle is real. The struggle is real, you gotta do what you gotta just to get over the hill. When you live in America, either kill or be killed, yeah. Lord, have mercy, have mercy. I know that I ain't living right and know I'm not perfect, but plus I gotta eat and what I'm doing is worth it. So Lord, have mercy.